Many casino sites provide online Keno as a gambling option, and you can usually find it in the specialty games section. To get started, take advantage of online casino bonuses like free chips or no deposit bonuses. That way, you can find your lucky numbers and play without risking your money. Online casinos offer more Keno game variations than land-based casinos. Try a few of these versions to see which one you enjoy the most. Traditional Keno. Pick up to 15 numbers between 1 and 80. 20 numbers will be drawn randomly. You'll win if you see your numbers come up. 40-ball Keno. Pick 1 to 10 numbers between 1 and 40. Then 10 numbers will be picked randomly in the game. If your numbers match to those that are drawn, you win. Super and Power Keno. Just like traditional Keno, you can pick up to 15 numbers and the game will draw 20 numbers at random. As a bonus in this version, you receive an extra ball that can multiply your winnings. Online Keno games have some of the lowest minimum wagers on the internet. You can find games starting as low as 1 penny. At casino sites, you can play most Keno versions with low minimum bets averaging around $1 to $5. For big wins, we suggest that you try the jackpot versions of Keno. If you want to explore and really learn how to play Keno before risking any money, use the practice mode offered by online casinos. Pick some numbers, play for free, learn from mistakes, and once you feel lucky, start playing real money Keno to win cash prizes. Hot numbers and cold numbers are those that are supposed to have the highest or lowest chances of coming up during a game. It's a theory based on the numbers drawn in 5 rounds of Keno. While not exact, according to statistics, these are the hottest numbers in Keno in order: 61, 66, 67, 74, 3, 16, 44, 58, and 78. More than strategy, online Keno is a game based on luck. You just need to choose your numbers and hit as many as possible in order to win. Pick your hot numbers, practice for free at online casinos, use the applicable bonuses, and start winning great prizes with this classic game. Is there a game that you want to know more about? Let us know by leaving a comment.